If your iPhone apps keep crashing or freezing after the latest iOS update, here's how to fix it. First, swipe up to access recent apps and close any apps running in the background. This clears temporary app glitches. Next, open the App Store, tap your profile icon, and check for app updates. Outdated apps often crash on new iOS versions, so tap Update All if available. Now go to Settings, then General, and tap Software Update. Apple frequently releases patches to fix app compatibility issues after major iOS updates, so install any available updates. Still having problems? Go back to Settings, tap General, then iPhone Storage. If your storage is nearly full, apps won't function properly. Delete unnecessary photos, videos, or apps to free up space. Aim for at least 10% free storage. Next, perform a force restart. Press volume up, then press and hold the side button until the slide to power off appears. After the restart, you're good to go. And that's how you fix app crashing and freezing issues after an iOS update. If this helped, please like and subscribe.